Middleman Mentor here, back with another video. Would say credit repair, but this video right here, guys, is just an update. Let me tell you how my January went. All right, y'all. So right at the end of December, everything was going well. I drove up to North Carolina, went up there. My family showed mad love. Got a lot of gifts for my kids and whatnot. Happy I drove because I wouldn't be able to bring all those toys back on the airplane. Wasn't happening. All right, so I get home. I'm excited about the new year. And all of a sudden, I'm starting to feel a little funny.
Coronavirus!
Something ain't right. You know what I'm saying? So I'm instantly honey, lemon, ginger. I'm trying to clean my system out. I'm detox. I'm trying to get right. I'm starting to get phone calls from other people like, bro, I'm feeling bad. I'm like, man, something ain't right. You know what I'm saying? So I had went down. So like the first week in January, I'm out of it. I stayed home. Like it only was down for like 2 days. And then after that, I just stayed out the way for like a whole week and some changes to make sure I wasn't contagious, anything like that. So boom, that was done. Okay, so like a week after that, week and a half after that, the fair's down here in South Florida. So I go to the fair, take my kids to the fair, and go on the merry-go-round on one of those rides, lose my wallet, ID, all my business credit cards. You know, I don't keep no cash on me, so I really won't trip in it. Always credit. And that's a valuable lesson I want to talk to y'all about too. Happy I'm on that. If I have my debit on me, and I lost my cards, yeah, we cancel it out, but you still have accessibility knowing my name and what bank I'm at. Not knowing what other type of information I really just was keeping in my wallet, but I try to keep it. And now that I got everything back, I'm definitely going to keep a lot more thinner now. Like, if I'm not using these cards, I'm not keeping these cards on me. They're going in my safe. I'm just going to keep about 1 or 2 on me. My concealed license, so don't play with me. You know what I'm saying? My business card and my ID. You know what I'm saying? But I really won't tripping on that. What would have happened if somebody got access to my money? So I have straight credit cards in there. They would have got access to my money. Simple disputed. They going to credit me back my money while they going through the dispute. Now, this is a debit card. They're going to go through the dispute before they credit you back your money. So that's the difference between the two. So you always want to play with somebody else's money and not be outside with your own money, all right? So, you know, so I start getting all these emails because most of my stuff is on auto pay. Oh, you got to catch up with this, catch up with this. So I was down, you know what I'm saying? And soon as I was about to get back into the rhythm, it was a leak in the condo under me, but it's coming from my house. So I had people coming in the house like for the last week and a half, banging on stuff starting 8 a.m. in the morning. And it's just inconvenient. I just was uncomfortable to try to give y'all guys content and, you know, and keep y'all on the road. You know, the next video that's going to drop, we're going to go ahead and put this one out. And right after this, we're going to get back in the groove because we got a lot of stuff coming, you guys. You know what I'm saying? But like at the end of this month, the end of January, I don't know when y'all going to see this video, shit got crazy. I mean, business just picked up tremendously, and like just a lot of stuff just started going in our favor, man. So we about to basically get back to work. I got the video I'm about to drop for you guys on. Okay, they got a new thing, especially with Transunion. They want you to provide them with like FTC documents or something like that. Well, FTC document, or they want a police report. But I did my research, and through consumer law, you know, dealing with the federal laws and bureaus or whatever, you don't have to provide them with no police report. All you have to do is provide them with proof of your identity, proof that you did the FTC report, and a verbal or written out statement saying, yes, this was fraudulent activity. You don't have to give them no police report. So along with that information now that we're going to give them, I have a dispute letter in the next video. Well, not this is for people that's actually in my course. They're going to get the letter, but I'm going to show you the letter, but I don't know how we're going to do it yet. You know what I'm saying? Show you that it's available anyway. But yeah, you know, you got to pay to play. Nah, not saying like that, but you know, if you don't pay, you know, pay attention, guys. And we at the point now that like we giving out valuable content. You can learn it here on this YouTube channel freely. But, you know, I recommend that you really tap in, get into the private Facebook group and really get amongst, you know what I'm saying, the lions. We outside with it, you know what I'm saying? Don't be a gazelles and stop sitting on the bench. You got to get outside and get up and go get it. You know what I mean? But this is an update. Good time, Middleman Mentor. I am still alive. No, we did not die out. You know what I'm saying? And I really want to show y'all, you know, the new assets that we accumulated. Like, we really did pick up some nice new products and they already doing numbers. But in the niche that I'm in right now, in the groups I'm in, there's just a lot of conversation about the people I'm doing business with. It's like they ain't liking it. You know what I'm saying? So to avoid me getting in that bubble, you know, I'm just going to avoid putting that stuff out there for y'all right now anyway. You know what I'm saying? But everything's legal, of course, for, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. But it's just certain things, I guess, you know, in paperwork or whatever, they don't fully agree with. But we don't care about that. We out here because rent went up, so we need to turn up. You dig what I'm saying? So until the next video, when it's going to be more informative and not just an update, Middleman Mentor, and I see y'all on the other side. I'm out.